Hey everybody, hi and welcome and thanks for joining me and so far just one sidekick who's not really interested in helping me out whatsoever. Want to say hi, Wyatt? He's too funny. All right, he makes me smile anyway. I don't know what he's doing, but apparently not interested in helping me out today. He's not going to be a co-host at all. I am excited about what I have to share with you today because it is brand new to my channel and a brand new product that is from a startup company called Bisou Naturals, and I was instantly intrigued. I do get contacted by a lot of companies about a lot of products, and I normally say no. There are a few that I'm very interested in because I think that they are fun products. I love to share them with you, but a lot of times I don't think they don't typically fit in with my channel, or I don't think would resonate with my viewers. But this specific product I thought was fascinating. It would fit into everybody's life. It's something that I think you guys would all enjoy. Here's my box. I wanted to share it with you before Christmas, but wasn't able to get the video done. So in case you have any last minute people you need to shop for that you still need to get gifts to, this would make a great gift idea as well. But it would be perfect any time of year for that person who's super hard to shop for. And what's so fascinating about this is that Bisou Naturals is a new company. As I said, they're a startup company that is all about premium air purifying bags that are toxin free. They're completely toxin free. So it's a alternative to the traditional air fresheners. And I love this concept because we have smelly things all over my house, from smelly hockey bags, shoes. Like, I think this would be perfect. Look at Wyatt. Now he's awake and interested in what's in my box. From the hockey bags to the smells in the car to cooking odors, the hamper, our mudroom where all the shoes are. I really feel like this would fit in any place. And instead of disguising the odors, this eliminates the odors. It doesn't disguise them. So, can't wait. Oh, look how nice. So this all of my little pouches came inside a nice little bag. It says Joy. This is the Christmas collection. This is so awesome. And it came inside this nice little bag. Look how nice this is. Oh, so cute. Check this out, Wyatt. Now you're interested, right? Look how cute this is. It's a little backpack. Is that not adorable? Joy and love. Adorable. This is our Christmas collection, and there are so many little bags in here. Let's see what I got. Oh, what is this? Right in here it says, from Bisou Naturals, you're awesome. How cute is that? Let's get to that. But I want to show you these little pouches first because I'm so intrigued by these, and I cannot wait to try these out because they take the odors out of the air. So if you have a bunch of cooking odors that are competing and they don't smell good, or you burnt something, you can keep these in the kitchen and they will remove the odors in the kitchen. My son's hockey bag, you put these in the hockey bag, it'll eliminate the odor. And believe me, when you open my son's hockey bag, smells that are not good. If any of you have children who play hockey, you totally understand what I'm talking about. My son does not wash his hockey equipment after every game. It gets so stinky in that bag. Even if he accidentally left his hockey bag in my vehicle overnight once, I got in my car and thought I was going to die. It was that bad. This is so cute. Look how cute this little pouch is. So these pouches do not smell like anything. There's no scent to them whatsoever, and they're not supposed to. And you can put these right inside shoes. They're all different sizes. You can leave them out because they're so cute. Look how cute this is. Is that not adorable? Look how many are in here. So cute. You could put this right in the middle of this. How adorable is this? Is this so cute? Little wiener dog. Oh, that's so cute. Little tiny ones, little stocking, would fit right inside a shoe. My son's shoe. To eliminate the odor. You're supposed to leave it in there for a couple days and the scent's gone. Is that not adorable? Look at this. And then bigger ones for bigger scents. Do you want to keep one of these at the bottom of your hamper? Do you have any smelly clothes? There's another one in here. Are these not amazing? I love these. So I've got 2 big ones and then 3 of these size as well as 4 of these. Love this. I totally love this concept. My husband he'll buy candles to try to get rid of the smells. And I'm very nervous around candles. I've had a couple friends who have had major damage to their homes from candles. One person knocked theirs over and it started a fire. Another one set a fire to their home and it actually gutted the whole house. So very, very nervous about candles. Don't really like to light them unless they're right in front of me and I can watch them and put them out immediately when I'm done. My husband also likes to buy the air fresheners, which are fine, except for those are not toxin free. And they just put the scent on top of a scent, right? So you're pretty much just masking the odor. You're not eliminating it. And these are all about taking the actual odor out of the air and getting rid of it. So I love this concept. So amazing. I love how decorative they get. They do have all kinds of different designs. I love the Christmas themed ones. These are so adorable. And I love how many you get. So I wanted to let you know they do have, since they are just starting, that if you make a purchase right now in 2020, all customers who purchase more than $50 in a single order in January of 2020, you'll be automatically enrolled in their Black Gold VIP program and enjoy a lifetime discount of 15% off. So how cool is that? And what this is made from is 100% Black Gold, which is premium activated Moso bamboo charcoal. So what they are saying is that they use this premium activated Moso bamboo charcoal that is proven to be 5 times more porous than regular charcoal. So that's what's inside here. And has been crowned Black Gold among all the different types of charcoal. And it's the most powerful all-natural air filter. So Black Gold has been prized since ancient days in Asia, and they've kept this as a secret from the rest of the world until now, they're saying. So this is supposed to be the best charcoal there is around to eliminate all of those odors. And there really is no scent to this whatsoever, which is really nice. So I'm loving this, loving it. What else can I tell you? Right now, this is their featured collection. I love all these blues. Can you guys see that? Love all the blues in that. So they do come in all kinds of different sets. You can get, so just like the Midnight Blue shoe deodorizers, just to give you a sense, like just these 2 shoe deodorizers is $29. This whole entire set is $99 for all of this. This Midnight Blue set is $99. Let's see here. And the deluxe set is $149. So let me see what you get in the $99 set. So in the $99 set, yeah, you get 4 of the shoe. I'll make sure I got this right. The Midnight Blue set consists of 5 pieces of air purifying bags, 2 pairs of the shoe deodorizers, and 1 standard size. So this is the Midnight Blue set. And then for $149, for the $149 you get the 4 shoe plus the 2 larger ones. So basically what I have right here, the 2 bigger ones as well as the 3 smaller ones. Yep. So it's exactly the set that I'm showing you right now. And this one is the midnight blue design, which is really pretty. Okay, and then they do have other options that you can shop. So different collections, different designs, and lots of options. So I do love this whole idea of the air purifying. I hate when you walk in a room and there's all kinds of really odd scents. You also want to clean the air so that you can, when you put out your scents that you like. So I tend to use instead the diffusers. So I'll buy the diffuser oil and the diffusing rods. That's what I like to put out so that you can actually have the scents that I want to put in the air and you can smell it and not smell the things that I don't want you to smell. So this should take the bad scents out of the air so that you can then put out your good scents. How about that? But I also think these would be great in the car. As I mentioned, I'm trying to think where else. Where else could you use these? The garage. When you go out in the garage, and sometimes there's some smelly things in the garage. The basement, get rid of that musty smell. So there's so many great uses for these, and I think these would also make a really great gift. Love these, and I love the designs. What do you guys think of these? I think they're so much fun. Okay, so then a little bit about the sizes of these. So the jumbo, which is this big one, is good for entire rooms. This is 8.2 by 8.2 inches. It's 18 ounces, so it's good for entire rooms and open spaces. So it'd be great for your basement, a bedroom, your kitchen, living room, wherever you think you might need it. I think it's awesome because you can leave it out as decor as well. So no one would even realize that it's actually a room air purifier. So it's awesome. And then this standard is for laundry baskets, closets, gym bags. So it'd be great for my son's hockey bag. And this is 7 by 7, and it is 7 ounces for reference. And then the smaller ones, which are called the mini, are great for shoes and socks, obviously. And these are 3 ounces, and they're 3 inches by 6 inches. And they fit right inside my son's shoes. It's super easy. These are great. All right, and this whole collection was 7 pieces, right? No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I got 8 items in here. 9. Sorry, I can't even count. There's 9 in here. All right, and then I think every time that you purchase one of these collections, you must be supporting trees for the future.org. So that's what was inside this You Are Awesome. It says this is a certificate of support for 30 trees planted. Thank you. Isn't that cool? So they support trees for the future. And then inside my little bottle here, I got a message inside my bottle. And this is pretty cool because they talk about, this is your Bisou Natural charcoal card. So it says, sometimes beauty lies beneath the surface. Use the toothpicks that come in the envelopes to scratch and reveal vibrant colors. So inside here was also 3 different envelopes. And inside each envelope were the little toothpicks. And I think you can scratch these off and reveal different colors. And there's a different one inside each envelope. And I got 3 of them here. Isn't that cool? So cool. Super creative. And it shows you design your own Bisou Natural charcoal card as a personalized greeting card for your loved ones or as a handmade Christmas ornament. It comes with a string that you can use to hang on your tree. For inspiration, go to Instagram at Bisou Natural and check out videos on our highlighted charcoal card. So that's really cool. And also, you can use the bottle for do-it-yourself activities, which for all of you creative people, I know that will be no issue to come up with something super creative here. I love how they show the message in the bottle. Reuse it, great for do-it-yourself Christmas decor or to store knickknacks. And they have some great ideas here with a little sand in the bottle. So cute. Share what you do. All right, so it says what's included in the Bisou Natural Deluxe set. So in case I didn't cover anything, let's make sure I do. You get a reusable cotton bag, so that's what everything came in. Use it for storage or backpack for yourself and or your kids. A small size air purifying bags. So those are the 3-ounce ones we talked about, the little ones. Put one in each shoe or use in your gym bags. Car console, that's a good idea, or a vanity desk. The standard size air purifier bags pop into your laundry room, your storeroom, or your wardrobe, shoe closet, or pet pens. That's not a bad idea. Wyatt and Zena's pens can get a little bit stinky, so I didn't even think to put it in the pet pens, but that's not a bad idea. What do you think about that, Wyatt? Yeah, he's still not moving. What do you think, Wyatt? Okay, but that's a really great idea for pet areas. I should have thought of that one. And then the jumbo size, made for very smelly places or bigger areas such as living rooms, bedrooms. Just think of the stink busters on steroids. So that's pretty cool. All right. So I think this was a winner for getting rid of all those smells that you don't want to have around. And I am going to get busy putting these all over my house. I will put all this information down below for Bisou Naturals because I think this is such an amazing idea, and I love bringing new ideas to you guys that I truly believe in. And I love this one because there are smells in my house that I don't want to keep around. The hockey bag is a big one. I do fight that one quite a bit. So one of these is going to be kept in my son's bag. He's going to be like, what is this? So I'm going to have to tell him so he doesn't get rid of it and he understands, because I don't think he likes the smells either. And I love the idea of the car. Sometimes my husband's truck, because he works a lot, so he's in and out. So sometimes there's odd smells in there as well. So I think that's a great idea. Plus, he carries my son's hockey bag around a lot. Yeah, so I can think of many places. The laundry room also is another good place because my son likes to come in, dump his clothes, and then get on with his day and leave his clothes there. So I can think of many places where I'm going to be keeping these and they're going to be popping up. Love this idea. I hope you enjoyed this. I love bringing you guys new stuff. I'll put all this information down below. Thank you so much for spending time with me and Wyatt today. We so appreciate it. Please comment below and let me know what you thought. I think this is such a fun concept. I truly love it. Please hit that like button. I would love if you guys would hang out with me for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. And until next time, everyone, have an amazing day. Bye.